अंदू गोंयांत पावसाळो सुरू जावच्या पयलींच विक्रमी अवकाळी पावसाची नोंद जाला. सादारणपणान प्री मॉन्सून पावस वर्सुकी पावसाच्या फकत 3.6% आसता, पण अंदू सरासरी परस 9.83% अवकाळी पावसाची नोंद जाल्या. हरशी गोंयांत दर वर्सा मार्च, एप्रिल, मे या काळात 40.16 मिलीमीटर अवकाळी पावस पडप अपेक्षित आसता, पण अंदू 484 मिलीमीटर अवकाळी पावसाची नोंद जाल्या. राज्यांतल्या चडशा हवामान केंद्रांनी 250 मिलीमीटरा परस चड पावसाची नोंद जाला. जितलो अवकाळी पावस अंदू वर्सा गोंयांत पडला तितलो पावस फाटल्या 2-3 दशकांत केन्नाच पडूंक ना, अशें नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ओशनोग्राफीचे आदले शास्त्रज्ञ डॉक्टर M.R. रमेश कुमार हांणी सांगले.
Actually, this pre-monsoon showers contribute about 3.6% of the annual mean for the state of Goa. And this year, luckily, we had actually a strong convective system or a low pressure system just off Goa and Karnataka coast. That has resulted actually in the last 3 or 4 days, we got plenty of rainfall. In fact, it is about 983% more. In fact, the climatological mean is actually only 40.1 millimeters, whereas we got about 484 millimeters of rainfall. And most of the stations, out of the 13 rain gauge stations, almost all got more than 250 millimeters of rainfall during this season, which is actually astounding. We may not have received such a record rainfall for the past maybe 2 or 3 decades at all.
Okay.
And further to that, this monsoon is actually just knocking at the doors of actually the state of Goa. It has just reached the Karnataka coast, and it should reach. It reached actually Kerala and almost the entire interior, south as well as South India, Karnataka, North India, Karnataka, almost in the doorsteps of actually Goa, should reach Goa in a couple of days, which will be again an interesting fact because I don't think we have got such an early onset of monsoon over the state of Goa.
Okay.
Low pressure system of low pressure or convective system, or now it has actually turned into a depression. This is actually basically because, in fact, these are actually the triggering mechanism for the monsoon onset over the state of India or the Indian subcontinent.
Okay.
So this year it formed actually just off west coast of India and very close to Goa.